Are you over 60 and finding yourself more tired than you used to be? Maybe your joints ache a little more, or you feel a bit unsteady on your feet. Perhaps you've noticed your mind isn't quite as sharp as it once was. If any of this sounds familiar, I want you to know you're not alone, and you've come to the right place. These feelings aren't just a normal part of getting old, they can be silent signs that your body is getting weaker. But the good news is, there are simple, natural things you can do about it, starting today. In this video, we're going to talk about 7 of these silent signs. For each one, we'll explore what it feels like, why it happens in simple terms, and most importantly, what practical steps you can take to feel better and stronger. Stick around until the end, because I'll share a powerful bonus reminder about one habit that can protect almost every part of your body as you age. Now, please remember, this video is for educational purposes only. It's not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor before making any significant changes to your health routine. Let's dive into our first silent sign. You get tired very quickly. Does this sound like you? You feel exhausted after small tasks, like walking up a flight of stairs, doing a little grocery shopping, or even just light housework. It feels like your energy battery just drains way too fast. This can happen for a few reasons. As we get older, we can lose muscle mass. Our sleep quality might decline, or we might not be getting the right nutrients. It's a sign your body's engine isn't running as efficiently as it could be. If ignored, this constant fatigue can limit your activities and your joy, but you can fight back. Start with small fixes. Try some light movement first thing in the morning, like a gentle stretch or a short walk. Eat a balanced breakfast with some protein, like eggs or yogurt, to fuel your day. Make sure you're drinking enough water, and it's always a good idea to check with your doctor. They can test for things like anemia, thyroid issues, or heart problems that can cause fatigue. The second silent sign is that your joints feel stiff and sore most days. Maybe it's your knees feeling stiff when you get out of bed, your hips aching after sitting for a while, or your hands feeling too sore to open a jar. It's a frustrating feeling that can make every movement a chore. This stiffness often gets worse when our joints don't move enough, and the muscles supporting them become weak. The less you move, the stiffer you get. It's a tough cycle. The key is gentle, consistent movement. Start your day with some easy stretches. Take short walks, even just for 5 or 10 minutes at a time. Simple strength exercises, approved by your doctor or a physical therapist, can also build up the muscles around your joints, giving them better support. This brings us to our third sign. You lose your balance easily or feel unsteady on your feet. Do you ever feel wobbly on uneven ground? Do you find yourself reaching for furniture to steady yourself? Or do you have a growing fear of falling? Your sense of balance is complex. It relies on your muscles, nerves, eyes, and even your inner ear working together. When these systems weaken with age, your risk of a fall increases dramatically, which can lead to serious injuries and a loss of independence. But you can improve your balance. Practice simple exercises like standing on one leg while holding onto a sturdy counter. Always use handrails on stairs. Wear supportive, well-fitting shoes, not loose slippers. And don't be afraid to ask your doctor about physical therapy or a balanced training program. It can make a world of difference. The fourth silent sign is that your hands and feet often feel cold, numb, or tingling. You might notice that familiar pins and needles feeling, or just that your fingers and toes are always cold, even when you're not. This can be related to poor circulation, meaning blood isn't flowing as well to your extremities. It can also be a sign of nerve issues. This is often made worse by conditions like diabetes, sitting for too long, or even poor posture. To help, try to get up and move around regularly. Gentle stretching and short walks are fantastic for getting the blood flowing. Avoid crossing your legs for long periods. And if this is a persistent problem, it's very important to talk to your doctor to check on your circulation and nerve health. Next up, silent sign number 5. You forget little things more than before. We're talking about walking into a room and forgetting why you went in there, constantly misplacing your keys or glasses, or struggling to remember a name or an appointment. While some memory slips are normal as we age, your brain, just like your muscles, needs exercise to stay sharp. Good blood flow is also crucial for brain health. To keep your mind active, challenge it. Do crossword puzzles, read books, learn a new skill, or stay socially engaged with friends and family. Physical activity, like walking, is also one of the best things you can do for your brain. Eating brain-friendly foods like leafy greens, fish, and nuts can help too. If your memory changes are significant or worrying you, please discuss them with your doctor. Silent sign number 6 is that you can't do simple things you used to do easily. This is a loss of strength. Maybe you struggle to lift a bag of groceries, can't open that tight jar lid, or find it difficult to get up from a low chair. This happens because after 60, our bodies naturally lose muscle mass if we don't actively work to maintain it. This is a process called sarcopenia, and it can really impact your independence. The solution is simple strength exercises. You don't need a gym membership. You can use your own body weight, light hand weights, or resistance bands. The key is to start slowly and safely, preferably with some guidance from a professional to ensure you're using proper form. Every little bit of strength you build makes daily life easier. And our seventh silent sign: you sleep, but you still wake up feeling drained. You might be waking up multiple times during the night, or even if you think you slept through, you just don't feel rested in the morning. Poor quality sleep is a huge problem. It affects your energy, your mood, your memory, and can even make joint pain feel worse. To improve your sleep, create a calming evening routine. Turn off screens like your phone or TV at least an hour before bed. Keep your bedroom cool, dark, and quiet. If sleep problems continue, don't just accept them. Talk to your doctor to rule out issues like sleep apnea. Now, for that powerful bonus reminder I promised you. The one habit that can protect every part of your body is to stay consistent with your doctor checkups and blood work. Many of the underlying causes of these 7 signs things, like vitamin deficiencies, diabetes, heart issues, or thyroid problems, don't always have obvious symptoms. They can only be found through medical tests. Regular appointments allow your doctor to catch these problems early, when they're much easier to manage. Don't wait until something feels very wrong. Be proactive about your health. So let's quickly recap the 7 silent signs. Getting tired very quickly, stiff and sore joints, feeling unsteady on your feet, cold or numb hands and feet forgetting little things, a loss of strength for simple tasks, and waking up feeling drained. Remember, you don't have to fix everything at once. Just pick 1 or 2 small changes to start with this week. Aging is a reality, but feeling weaker and less capable doesn't have to be. Your daily choices have incredible power. You can take control and build a stronger, more vibrant life, one small step at a time. If you learned something valuable today, please give this video a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe for more tips on staying healthy, energetic, and independent as you age. And please, share this video with a parent, a grandparent, or a friend over 60 who might find it helpful. I'd love to hear from you in the comments. Which of these signs do you recognize? And what's one small action you plan to take this week? Thank you so much for watching.